8th class students. Now I will continue the last class. Now subtractions. They given 8th question as subtract three by four from 1 by 3. See here, first a student will get a doubt that whether we have to do 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is a doubt. So maximum teachers and students what they will do is subtraction means negative symbol. So they will keep this minus in between these two without understanding. So this is wrong. So how we have to do? So make a meaningful sentence. That is subtract 5 from 9. See, fractions I am leaving it. So what I am saying is subtract 5 from 9. Now you will understand it. So what he is saying, you should subtract 5. From where? From 9. Means how you will write 9 minus 5. Subtract 5 from 9 means 9 minus 5 should write it. So what is correct one now? Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Means I have to write 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is correct one. Now subtractions. Don't do numerator minus numerator, denominator minus denominator. So to do subtraction or addition for fractions, I have to take LCM. LCM for 3, 4 is 12. 3 how many times will go? 4 times. 4 into numerator 1. 4 how many times will go? 3 times into numerator. 4 ones are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. This is the answer. So how to do subtraction is this way. Now remaining subtract minus subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. See, same question. From after whatever is there, it comes first. 2 minus. This is minus 32 by 13. So being it is minus and you have to do subtraction, you have to enclose in the brackets. Brackets means into, minus is plus. 2 plus 32 by 13. 2 is a rational number, 2 by 1 you can write it. For 1 and 13 the LCM is 13 only. 1 how many times will go means 30 times. Numerator is 2. 13 how many times will go? 1 time into 32. 32 is 26 plus 32 by 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 58 by 13. So this is the answer. Next, another question, 9th question. How they given seat? First, better to understand the question perfectly. What numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? See, for minus 5 by 8, what number you have to add to get minus 3 by 2? They given in English and I converted it into mathematical sentence. So he is asking what numbers should be added. What number should be added means that number we don't know, we assumed as x. X is added to what? Minus 5 by 8. To get minus 3 by 2. So, what number to be added means this you have to make a subject or not. So, I have to write x is equal to. Already is equal to after what fraction is there? Minus 3 by 2. It is minus 5 by 8. If it is going to this side, it becomes plus 5 by 8. For 2 and 8 LCM, 2 and 8 LCM is what? 2 ones are 2 fours are. LCM is 8. So 8 you have to write. 2 how many times will go? 4 times. Its numerator is minus 3. 8 how many times will go? 1 time. Its numerator is 5. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 plus 5 by 8. Here minus 12 plus 5. 12 rupees you have to give to me and you have 5 rupees in your pocket. Minus 12 plus 5. I saw that 5 rupees is there with you and you should give 12 rupees to me. So I will take 5 rupees and I will say still you have to give 7 rupees to me or not. So minus 7. But maximum students what they will write is minus 12 plus 5 minus 17 they will write. So it is wrong. Okay. So minus 12 plus 5, the answer is what here? Minus 7. Minus 7 by 8. This is the answer. So for minus 5 by 8, if you add minus 7 by 8, you will get answer as minus 3 by 2. Next, another question is the sum of two rational numbers is 8. Sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other. See, one number is minus 5 by 6. Sum of two numbers is 8, he said. If you add two numbers, you are getting 8. Among the two, one number is minus 5 by 6. You have to find the other. The other which you have to find, you have to assume as x. You have to make x as subject. 8 is here. Minus 5 by 6 you have to send to this side. It becomes plus 5 by 6. 8 you have to write as 8 by 1. For 1 and 6 the LCM is 6. 1 how many times will go? 6 times. It's in the numerator 8. 6 one time will go. And into numerator is 5. 6 sides are 48 plus 5 by 6. 53 by 6. Means for minus 5 by 6, if you add 53 by 6, you are getting how much? 8. Whether it is right or wrong, if you want to check it, checking, you can do it. Minus 5 by 6, okay, plus 53 by 6. What answer you have to get it? You have to get answer as 8. Are you getting 8 or not? We will see it. 6, like fractions. LCM is same only. So I have to write minus 5 plus 53. So here one is minus, the other is plus. Different symbols are there, subtraction you have to do it. So plus 53 minus 5 means from 53 you should subtract 5. So which becomes 48 by 6. 6 sides are 48. So what answer you got it here? 8. So our problem is correct. Now next question. X is equals to minus 13 by 17. And he is asking that verify minus of minus x is equal to x. You should take in place of x this one and you have to verify LHS and RHS. Minus okay, minus okay. X means minus 13 by 17. It is LHS. I took only LHS. So here minus into minus is plus. Again minus 13 by 17. Plus into minus. Minus 13 by 17. It is x. If I took LHS, I got what? RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified. Now we'll go for exercise 1.2. Okay, here representing rational numbers on number line. How to represent a rational number on number line. 9 by 7 is given. 9 by 7 is a rational number, you have to represent on a number line. So here 9, if you divide with 7, you are getting a 1 point something. Means this 9 by 7 is there in between 1 and 2. 1 less than, 9 by 7 less than 2. This 9 by 7 is present in between 1 and 2. Draw number line. Keep 0. 7 is there. So what I am doing is 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts are done. Here it is 0 by 7. It is what? 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. This is 7 by 7. 7 by 7 means what here? 1. 1 after again how many equal parts? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 14 by 7. It is 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 7. So 9 by 7 is there or not? What I done is I represented 9 by 7 on number line. What you should do, whatever denominator is there, between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, that many equal parts you have to do it. Okay. So 0, 0 by 7, next point 1 by 7, 2 by 7, like this you have to go on, right? And where I will get 9 by 7, you have to write 9 by 7. So remaining try to do it. We'll meet you in the next class.